Hi, this is SmartDesigner staff team, and I'm going to show you how to do 3D draping. So we're going to log in with the ID and password. The 3D draping is work on the drape image mode. Be sure to click the full colors. And I'm going to import one of the images from the computer. We're going to use this image. And you need to know that when you import the image from your computer, it's automatically saved into the general image mode. So you need to click this plus button and save into the image list to use on the drape mode. So I'm going to close it and then copy into the drape image mode. So we're going to start defining the outline. Click this define panel button and zoom in and then define the outline. This part is very similar with the color mask, but it's different with the color mask because color mask is that you change the color, but the 3D draping is that you apply the pattern on your product and you can give the 3D effect, so it's more delicate function. This 3D draping is very useful because you can use not only for the clothing but also for the accessories or bag or whatever you want, so it's very useful. And this doesn't take so long and you'll see that it's very easy and fun. And you can make a detailed outline by zooming in, and you should be sure to know that press Alt and then rolling in, and you can zoom in and out very easily. So we're almost done. And once you're done, click right mouse button and click OK. And then I'll let you know how to do the 3D draping. Click this button and click inside of it and click right next button and then draw the straight line. This is the direction of the pattern, so I'm going to just let it horizontal. And then type the pattern size. You can change it later very easily, so just give some random size. And I'm going to give the 10 and click OK. And once you're done, click right mouse button on the boundary and then click the complete corner panel. And then the line will be changed into red. That means that you're done with defining the outline. So next, we're going to define the grid. So click this button and then make sure that the arrow face upwards. And then on here, you can give the 3D effect. So click here. And you can add lines, the vertical line and horizontal line here. And I'm going to add the lines like this. And then you can um, change the um, line by giving the nodes. So click right mouse button on the line and then click the add control nodes. And like this, you will see that degrees will be changed like this so that the pattern is applied perfectly. And then you'll see that the picture is like a real and the pattern is like a realistically applied. This part is also very easy and you just move the line and then nodes. And if you want to delete the nodes, you can just click right mouse button and delete it. So it's very easy. And I'm done with the vertical lines, and I'm going to give variation on the horizontal lines like this. I think we're almost done with creating. As you can see, it's very easy and it doesn't take so long. And click show grid to show it's um, well defined. I'm going to move the lines a little. Okay. So we are done, right? So once you're done, close the window, and then we're going to import some patterns here, and click right mouse button and click the drape object. Then as you can see, the patterns perfectly applied on your product. You can change the size of pattern, and then you can also change the brightness, and you can also change the contrast and make it more like a real picture. And I'm going to apply other patterns too. So how easy did we just apply different patterns by just clicking um, view buttons, and also change the size. And I'm going to apply this pattern so you can compare and see which one looks the best. And this pattern is that we made on other modes, so it's also applied very realistically. So you can also export it in your computer. So click File and then click Export Image, and then you can change the format like AI file to use in Illustrator or PNG or JPG and whatever you want. So I'm going to just click the PNG file and type the name, and then click Save. And then as you can see, this file is saved on your computer like this. So it's done. So that's it about the 3D draping. And I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you have any questions, just feel free to contact us. We'll give you answers right away. And thank you for listening, and hope you enjoy this Smart Designer.